What's new at the house? Well, I took the plastic off the cement. The central HVAC is installed. AC unit out here is done. They haven't wired it yet. The wiring's still hanging off to the side. Plastic pad. Okay, it's a big unit. Look how big that baby is. Anybody make out what it says there? I don't know nothing about them. It's a train though. It's a big unit. Big, big, big. No numbers on it other than that. All that information there, if it's helpful with anybody. That's, imagine they charged it up. What do you think? Alright, that's that. No wiring done yet. We took the forms off the cement. Cut the cement. Maybe the door's locked. The door's locked. Alright. See if I can find the key, huh? The key still works. What's done today? Well, looks like they've painted around everything that around the outside. Looks like they're gonna paint this with that big chunk taken out of it. Why would somebody do that? Why would somebody do that? Alright, so they've painted around the edges here and got all the molding off. And ready to paint around in there, around in there, around in there. Still, they're done, taped it all off and got the big spots done like on everything, so they're going to get ready to paint the rest. But they still didn't even fix that dent in the side of that. I don't get it. Confuses the heck out of me why somebody would do that. Myself. Alright, so we got it all trimmed up. All the trim around the outside. Taped all off, ready to do the last coat of paint on this. Guess I should take a picture of that and show it to the contractor because the guys are going to paint it. And then come back later and fix it. Huh. Got the handrails in here. You got the wall taped off. Must be because they're painting this, huh? Guess. Alright, so I guess I should have got my phone and recorded that. Took a picture and sent it to him because obviously he hasn't been out here again. That door ajar. Cement looks good, don't it? And they cut this in here. You got this little step right here to come in. All right. That's what's going on here.